Annyeonghaseyo from Korea, and here are my 5 free lunches that I get at work from Monday through to Friday. Let's begin with Monday, and you can't go wrong with a bit of fried chicken. We love fried chicken here in Korea, and obviously it's very popular around the world now, and it's delicious at work. There's some braised tofu, boiled peanuts, and broccoli with sesame. All delicious and all very healthy, especially the soup, which is made with soybean. So it's a soybean based paste stew, and it is very healthy. Great start to the week. Coming in on Tuesday, we start with fish cutlet. No tartar sauce today. Oh, they must be skimpy. I don't know where it was. I couldn't find it. So got a couple of those. Some spicy onion. Again with some tofu. This is my favorite. So I always grab lots of the tofu. Once again, bok choy. Seasoned greens, which you can find a recipe that I've cooked on my channel, and a bean sprout sort of soup. Very healthy. Not the most delicious, but healthy. Wednesday, something a bit more interesting that we haven't had yet, and that's duck. And it is a very delicious sort of smoked duck meat. And I was the last one in line, so I didn't get very much of that. We've got a sort of, I think that's a radish. That's a radish. That's a radish with potato stew. Kimchi, of course. Some fish cakes with egg. Sort of coated in egg and cooked up. And once again, bok choy. There we go. The green bok choy namu or seasoned greens. Very sort of sesame flavor to them. Very savory. Thursday, we start with a very famous Korean dish. And that is, of course, bulgogi. So this is essentially stir-fried beef with a sort of little bit of a sweet flavor to it. We've got eggplant that has been cooked very nicely. Some chicken nuggets, not the nicest, with some kimchi there. I don't know what kind of visual I was going for. And this one is almost like a cream tteokbokki. So if you know what tteokbokki is, it's like a rice cake. So it's sort of a creamy rice cake with fish cake as well. Very interesting flavor to it. And an egg radish soup. So all around very healthy. And not so healthy on Friday because that's a lot of rice with ham in it, which is a little bit greasy. But it does go great with seaweed soup actually. It adds a nice flavor to that seaweed soup. And speaking of seaweed, I've doubled up. That's actually dried seaweed and is one of the most delicious things you can have in Korea, and I eat that. I could eat loads of that with just normal white rice. Is great. We got egg, got that spicy radish, and we have pickled cucumber. So there we have it. This is what I'm eating Monday to Friday at work here in Korea. Hope you guys enjoyed. I like sharing these videos because it does show you a lot of what Korean people are eating at home and out in restaurants, which I think is great to see. A lot of this stuff is classically Korean and very traditional in many ways. So enjoy, get out there, enjoy your food, enjoy your day, and eat well. 안녕히 계세요.